Good day, everyone. My name is Nini Bilbito in Section H. Today, I will demonstrate the relationship between linear and angular quantities using my own body. Linear motion is a movement in a straight line, while angular motion is movement around a fixed point.
As I walk straight from one place to another, I am showing linear motion. The distance I travel is called linear distance, and the speed at which I walk is called linear speed. Now, I am rotating in one place. This is called angular motion. As I turn, I create an angle of rotation, also known as angular displacement. The faster I spin, the greater my angular speed. My hand moves in a circular path around my body. My shoulder is the center of rotation, and the distance from my shoulder to my hand is reduced. Because my hand is farther from the center, it travels a greater distance and moves faster than my shoulder. This is show the relationship between linear and angular quantities.